In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to is Google Calendar better for more productivity and organizing. We'll start inside Google Calendar in your browser. On the left, you'll see other calendars with a small plus icon beside it. Click that and choose Create New Calendar. Think of each calendar as a category for a different part of your life, like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct color so at a glance, your week becomes a clear visual map. Color coding reduces decision fatigue and makes it easier to spot what's coming up and where your time is going. Next, open the settings by clicking the gear icon and head to Event Settings. Set a default event duration that matches how you actually work. 30 or 60 minutes usually keeps your day tighter and more intentional. Add default reminders like one 10 minutes before and another an hour before, and choose whether you want email or on-screen notifications. This simple setup prevents missed tasks and ensures you aren't scrambling between meetings. Now, time block your day. Instead of keeping a long to-do list, place tasks on your calendar as appointments. For example, try 8 to 9 in the morning for admin tasks, 9 to 11 for deep work, 1 to 2 for client calls, and 4 to 5 for content creation. Treat these blocks like real commitments. Drag them if something changes, but don't delete them unless the work is truly done or rescheduled. Assign each block to the correct colored calendar so your categories stay consistent. For anything you repeat, make it recurring. Open the event, set it to repeat weekly, monthly, or on custom days. Use this for Sunday night planning, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, or your gym schedule. Recurring events automate your routine and free up mental space. Protect your focus with specialized event types. Add focus time to automatically block meetings during your deep work periods. Use out of office for times you're unavailable so invitations are declined for you. And if you rely on task lists, enable task integration so quick to-dos live right on your calendar and can be checked off as you go. Make sure everything stays in sync. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, connect Gmail so invites become events automatically, and integrate your video tools like Zoom or Meet so links land directly on the event. Finally, use the event description wisely. Add a brief agenda, notes, relevant links to documents or video rooms, and a short checklist. Keeping context inside the event means no hunting through tabs when it's time to work. Set it up once and let your calendar do the heavy lifting for a more organized, productive week.